Draw so easy and I share this one. I mix a lot of colors, mainly just settings. It is a gradient with many colors, like a rainbow. If I draw on the computer, I might be able to do it easily. But it is my first time to mix so many colors on paper, but it's okay. Maybe it is because my markers are expensive. It feels like my inventory is pretty much the same. I can hold on until the holiday, because I did take a lot of pictures, not only the production of movable paper figures, and packaging, stuff like that. I took several photos of the packaging, so I want to insist on updating it daily and give it a try. This board I'm using now, it is really easy to get dirty. After being tagged by a marker, it's basically indelible. If you wipe it, there will be a slight mark. The key is that it's not cheap, mainly because my desk is relatively big, so I bought it for more than 100 yuan. It will get dirty before long, then I couldn't keep it at all. Every time I see it getting dirty, I want to change it. A little reluctant. After all, it's just a little dirty, but the video is really not good to watch, but compared to before, much better now. In the past, it would basically get dirty on the first day. I've kept it for a long time now, didn't even make it dirty to feel something. You only need to be familiar with it, you can make it better.